What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Five Nights at Freddy's Secret to the Mimic on your PC. So what we will do, we will download this game, but we got a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. So what we will do, we will search up this game on Steam itself, and after that we will continue to another website to download this game. So for the first step, search it up, search for the game Five Nights at Freddy's, and you will see it over here. Select it, then scroll a little bit down, and after that you will find out that this game is currently €38.99 in the Steam store. So the next step is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now the next step is of course search for the same game, Five Nights at Freddy's. After that select games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first, and you will find out that this game is already much cheaper than on Steam itself. So what we will need to do is select this game. After that you will see that this game is just €18.59 on this website, and you can purchase this game through this website, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC through Steam. So after that you are able to play this game, and as you can see this game on this website is €18, but on Steam itself it was €38. This will save you a lot of money. Hopefully this helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.